As we can see, the Dow is starting to lose a little bit of steam up here. We're still above the T line, but we keep running out of a little bit of steam. You can see the trajectory is starting to roll over. Now we have to see whether they're going to bring it back down through or pop it up again like they did over in this area. And the NASDAQ stayed up pretty well, so we're still in this uptrend. Nothing yet that has told us there's anything severe that's going to turn this market over. So we're still in this slow, steady uptrend. As long as we do not close below the T line, as you can see, it's been a very effective support level all the way up. And what produces the most powerful price moves is the kicker signal. Whenever we see a kicker signal, we want to get into it immediately because that's usually going to have a strong price move despite what the rest of the market action is doing. And we saw that type of action today in GLUU, where they closed it down here, but today they gapped it up above the previous day's open and traded up. Now they backed it off a little bit, but they're still above the T line on a kicker type signal. This is still a strong indication, makes it very simple for the candlestick investor that if they open this positive tomorrow, you want to buy immediately because it will be doing what we call a flutter kicker, where there was a doji in between. If they open it positive, the doji tells us that they're going to move it in the direction of how they open it after doji, which means if they started moving it positive, you'd have a kicker signal if you took the doji out of the middle. If that's the case, this becomes a very potentially strong price move. And this same scenario is used on the kicker signal on the feeder cattle trade, where it came down, bounced off the 20-day moving average, and then did a kicker type signal, a back up above the T line. And now today it confirmed with more strength coming out through this area, which means we're in a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Wave 1, wave 2, starting wave 3 again. This is nothing more than being able to analyze what the Japanese rice traders told us were very strong reversal signals and taking advantage of them. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.